Chemical reaction. Now let us discuss few chemical reaction. First, magnesium ribbon burning. These are the magnesium ribbons. When we burn magnesium ribbon, it produces bright light and the ribbon changes into ash. This can be represented by this chemical reaction. Magnesium reacts with oxygen and it gives magnesium oxide. Now when this magnesium oxide is mixed with water, again one new substance is formed, that is magnesium hydroxide. So magnesium oxide reacts with water and it gives a new substance, magnesium hydroxide. Now we will check what is the nature of magnesium hydroxide. We need litmus paper. When we dip the litmus paper in magnesium hydroxide, the red litmus will changes into blue. That means your magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature. Now reaction between copper sulfate and iron. This is the copper sulfate solution. Now we dip an iron nail in this copper sulfate solution and wait for half an hour, and so after half an hour, when we observe the beaker, we will observe that the color of the solution changes from blue to green. At the same time, we observe some brown color substance deposits over the iron nail. So here the color changes from, or color of the copper sulfate changes from blue to green. So this can be represented by this chemical equation. Iron reacts with copper sulfate and it gives copper plus iron sulfate, and the brown color substance that is deposited over the iron nail is nothing but the copper, and the color change is due to the formation of the new substance, iron sulfate. Now the reaction between vinegar and baking soda. So this is the baking soda and this is the vinegar. When we add baking soda into vinegar, we observe the bubbles. Now this can be represented by this chemical reaction. The vinegar reacts with baking soda and they form water and carbon dioxide. These bubbles that we observe because of the reaction is nothing but the carbon dioxide. Now the reaction between lime water and carbon dioxide. This is lime water. Now when we pass carbon dioxide gas, what will happen? We observe that the color of the lime water little bit changes. It turns into milky. So when we pass carbon dioxide gas to lime water, the lime water turns milky and sound is also produced, and we can see the bubbles, gas is also produced. Now we can represent this in this way. The lime water reacts with carbon dioxide and it forms calcium carbonate and water. Because of the formation of calcium carbonate, the lime water changes to milky. Rusting of iron. When the rusting of iron takes place, there is a brown color deposits formed over the iron. It can be represented by iron reacts with oxygen and water and it forms a new substance, that is the rust, and the rust is also known as iron oxide. So how to prevent rusting of iron? First is by applying paint on the iron object. When we apply paint on the iron object, it does not allow the iron object to come in contact with oxygen and moisture. So it prevents rusting. And next is galvanization. Here a layer of zinc metal is deposited over the iron. Now what is galvanization? This is a piece of iron. During the process of galvanization, a layer of zinc is deposited over the iron As the zinc is covering the iron will not come in contact with air and moisture. So in this way, galvanization prevents the rusting of iron. Thank you.